In this video, we are going to see how we can delete or replace the banner image on the Reddit profile. It's a pretty quick and easy process here, guys. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on view profile. Now you can see the banner image on the right. If you click on this picture kind of thing, you have the option to upload a new banner image. So this means, unfortunately, Reddit doesn't support the changing of image. Once you have uploaded one, you can only replace it with something else. So in that case, you can select any of your different image, maybe a blank one if you don't want any image to be shown. But let's say I want to upload anything like this. Click on save, and that is how you can only replace it in Reddit. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.